I'm at a repair shop. I hit a giant pothole in my little car and wiped out the front end of the truck. This car is too small for these rough roads. That's a stabilizer bar. And it broke the arm that holds it, bolts in right there, goes over and holds this strut in place. Without that in place, the whole wheel shifted about 2 inches to the rear, and you can see where the tire was hidden against the wheel well. It shredded the tire. Luckily I got it as far as I did. That was a decent tread on that tire, and it's really bald. And the car was pulling real hard to the right. Problem is, this is a Chinese car, and I don't think I can get parts for it that easily. I have a language barrier. I cannot seem to be able to order the parts. I was able to talk to the repair folks enough to get it started, but that's about as far as I can go. The labor cost is hardly nothing. It's just getting through the language barrier and actually finding the parts. Always an adventure.